Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd make a little quick video on making some Pro Blue swim baits for somebody. So let's get to it. I got some dead on plastic, the Swimbait blend, and I got this mixer off of Amazon. I believe it's supposed to be for wine glasses, but it works really good in these if you're doing by the gallons. It will put some air into it, but you can either just let it sit a little while or put it in a vacuum chamber, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm not really worried about any air. I just want it mixed up really good. And you're not gonna get that mixed any better by just sitting there shaking it. It'd take you forever. And then you just wipe this off and she's good to go. Obviously when I'm doing 5-gallon buckets I use a different mixer, but I'm trying to use up some of this older plastic I have. So we're gonna do 1 cup. Make sure we can get the color right, and then we'll do more. So we're gonna start. Let's start with the belly. It's gonna be red pearl. There we go. So I'm gonna get this heated up before I put the pearl in. I don't like to put pearl into cold plastic. I don't think it mixes as good personally. Okay guys, I'm gonna try this one more time. Welcome back to the channel. I was trying to make a quick little video of making some Pro Blue swim baits. My camera's acting up. I don't know if it's the app or the camera, but we've already got our Plastisol mixed and dyed. Here's our sample of what they're gonna look like side by side. If you can see, you can't really see the sheen on that. The recipe below in the description, but basically I use Lure Hilite Blue 135 for the top, and I mixed it 40 drops of the MF Blue Smoke Pearl non-bleed, and then I put 1 drop of dead on plastic black in. The top I used Highlight Red Pearl, also from Lureworks. I like their pigments. And then just a touch of I don't know why Lureworks labeled this glitter. It's actually pearl violet, but I used a touch of that, and then I just used dead on Plastix white, and then we just have a little bit of Lureworks black 0.015 hex glitter in the top in the blue, and that's pretty much it. The blue is awesome color, if you can see that, and then the belly has a good red sheen to it, just with a touch of purple. I don't need a ton in here. This mold doesn't take a whole lot of plastic. Yeah, let's let these cool down and I'll come back and we'll demold it and you can see what they look like. Just top these off one more time. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these back in the microwave to keep them warm. So, more camera problems. I'm not sure if you can even see this, but this is what they look like in the mold. Probably can't see that red sheen in the belly. Maybe you can.